gotta move.
What are you gonna do?
Ich habe hier, warum haben die Stühle hier draußen? Warum sagen die, darf sich auf den Boden setzen?
You need to go to work by yourself. When everyone knocks you over to see the virus, it's your fault.
Then we can sit on the floor?
Go to Fox News. Go to CNN. Scroll them up. I want to ask you guys to do something.
Da musst du wirklich sagen, man kann es vergessen.
Because this boat can turn right back if you guys don't comply.
Will not get up.
Exactly. Don't let her ruin it for you guys. Everybody else got up. You gotta get up. Everybody else got up. You gotta get up. She has to get up. She's not listening. It's her. Yes, we will. Yes, we will. Yes, we will. I don't care. Excuse me, you're not allowed to record what I'm
Not allowed to film what?
You're not allowed. Excuse me. You're not allowed. You don't have my permission.
Film what?
You don't have my permission.